The key to maintaining a healthy diet is to enjoy a variety of nutritious foods from each of the 5 food groups, which are dairy or milk products, grains or products made of grains, meat or poultry products, vegetables, and fruits. Include fat-free or low-fat dairy products or milk products in your diet, like milk, butter, yogurt, cheese, custard, ice cream, or ice milk. Aim for at least 2 ounces of whole grains a day. Food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or another cereal grain is a grain product. Bread, pasta, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, tortillas, and grits are examples of grain products. We should keep a small amount of meat and poultry products in our diet. Meat and poultry are great sources of protein. They also provide lots of other nutrients our body needs, like iodine, iron, zinc, vitamins, and essential fatty acids. So it's a good idea to eat meat and poultry every week as a part of our balanced diet. We should eat a variety of veggies. It's recommended to eat 1½ bowls of vegetables a day. Carrots, broccoli, mushrooms, kale, turnips, spinach, asparagus, green beans, cauliflower, beets, tomatoes, onions, eggplant, and sweet potato are few of the healthiest vegetables we can eat. We should eat at least 1 bowl of fruits a day. Apples, blueberries, bananas, oranges, dragon fruit, mango, avocado, lychee, pineapple, strawberries, durian, cherries, olives, watermelon, kiwi, peaches, guava, grapes, pomegranate, and grapefruit are few of the healthiest fruits which we can add to our diet. If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.